Are you curious what's the number one question realtors get asked on a daily basis? Stay tuned to find out the answer. Hey everybody, Tim Veigle here, checking in. Hope your day is going good. Now let me tell you about the number one question that I get asked, and most realtors will agree with that. How is the market? Which is the most loaded question out there because it's impossible to know. Markets vary. We're talking about going from cities to counties down to your neighborhood. But that's not just it. It also depends. What are you looking to do? Buy, sell, or invest? All have different answers. Well, I'm looking to buy. Well, the market currently overall looks great for buyers because of the low interest rates. They're practically giving money away for you to be able to have home ownership. The biggest stress factor in there is there's not a lot of homes on the market, so you got to make sure you set your expectations right and don't be as picky as you might have normally been. What if you want to sell? Well, sellers, it's perfect too. In fact, it's more than perfect. It's a seller's market. You list your home, you're going to get multiple offers, and you're going to get ridiculous prices and terms that you just really can't beat, and something I haven't seen in the last 7 years. So, great time to sell. Now, what about investing? Same thing for investing. There's good properties out there that you can invest on. Problem with some of the properties, you look and you see what the rent roll is, and then you realize when you get into it, you can actually get higher rent. And some of the rents out there are less than what the market gives. So there's opportunity out there. You just got to decide what your risk factor is as an investor. But for an investor, there's great opportunities too. Even if you're looking to flip homes, the options are available. So I hope that helps and gives you an idea of how the market currently is. Talk to you later, and feel free to connect with me anytime you want.